Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have a 2017 Subaru WRX with a little bit of aftermarket goodies. First, right off the bat, you can notice these wonderful gold Enkai wheels. Really fits well with the World Rallycross blue. You also have some nice Rally Armor mud flaps. And a Cobb exhaust. Has a great sound to it without being obnoxious, and that's a really, really tough thing to do. Back seat area, plenty of room, no complaints here at all. Nice to get in and out of. So this is a 2017 WRX base. Really, really nice in here. Even for being the base trim, you have a nice touchscreen system. Really, really nice car. A little over 21,000 miles on it. So not that many miles at all. This was obviously somebody's weekend toy. Of course, the WRX uses a turbocharged flat 4 motor known as the boxer motor. It's because the cylinders are opposing, so it looks like you have two banks of cylinders on each side, and it looks like boxers throwing punches at each other. Sounds awesome with the Cobb exhaust, and you'll get some nice pops and burbles. I like this exhaust a lot. It's very tough in the aftermarket to find an exhaust that is loud enough where you can get some nice noise, but not too loud where it's just obnoxious to drive. And this is right on the former, where it's a really, really good sound coming out of it, but it's not obnoxious like those motorcycles. Cruise on the highway, super comfortable, and these would be great in winter time too with the symmetrical all-wheel drive that they feature. Super fun to row through the gears. This gearbox is a lot of fun. I have no complaints there. It's a really, really great gearbox to use. And rev matching is wonderful. Pedals are placed great for heel and toe downshifting. If you don't know what heel and toe is, it's when you use all three pedals at the same time. Left foot, of course, modulates the clutch, and your right foot, part of it is on the brake, and you blip the gas with your heel. That's why, well, that's one method. There's multiple methods to do it, but that's why it's referred to heel toe. Your heel is flipping the gas, and your toe is on the brake. So, heel toe. I do it more of a side of the foot motion to downshift. It's just what's comfortable for me. Works for a lot of different cars. I'll probably do an in-depth video on my personal channel on how to drive a manual. First video, just getting started with everything, and then a second video with more in-depth techniques such as heel toe and starting on hills. With 268 horsepower on tap, the Wrx is plenty quick for a daily driver, and also a fun autocross toy. I know a lot of people who autocross these cars, put some nice sticky tires on them, and they'll obliterate almost anything on the autocross course, except for maybe a nicely built Miata. They're also relatively affordable. The Wrx base starts around $26,000 brand new. Really, really affordable price point for a young enthusiast who wants to get started in the car scene, have a nice fun car to drive, and have some fun on the weekends at some track days. Oh, nice kitty cat. Yes, I do make that joke a lot. Every time I see Caterpillar construction equipment, I always say to my family, oh, look, a cat. I am that guy. This back road, this is where this car shines. My God, it's sensational. It's such a great car. Not gonna lie, my heart dropped a little bit when I saw him peeking around that corner. Because some people, I have fun on this road, but I won't go more than 10 over the speed limit at any point in time. But some people do 70 through here. It is nutty. Even over the bumps, perfectly fine. overall, this is an excellent car. It has all the perfect mods that any WRX owner should do. Already done, set, and ready to go at one of our dealerships. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.